Imagine going 3 full days without food. What happens to your body during this time? Fasting for 72 hours can seem daunting. Yet, it offers intriguing benefits. Let's explore the remarkable changes your body undergoes when fasting. Initially, your body relies on stored glucose. This process is known as glycogenolysis. It provides energy for the first 24 hours. After about 24 hours, your glycogen stores deplete. Your body then shifts to fat for energy. This process is called ketosis. It helps burn fat and increases mental clarity. As you progress to 48 hours, autophagy kicks in. Autophagy is your body's cleaning system. It removes damaged cells and regenerates new cells. This step aids recovery and boosts longevity. By the end of 72 hours, insulin levels drop significantly. Lower insulin levels increase fat mobilization. It enhances weight loss and can improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, your body experiences a surge of human growth hormone. This hormone helps preserve muscle mass and promotes fat loss. During fasting, some people report heightened energy and focus. This can improve productivity and creativity. Remember, everyone's experience may differ. It's crucial to listen to your body. Consult a healthcare professional before attempting prolonged fasting. In summary, a 72-hour fast triggers impressive transformations in your body. It promotes fat loss, enhances mental clarity, and initiates cellular repair. Are you curious to try fasting for health benefits? Start with shorter fasts first. Explore what works best for you.